If the squad ain't with me, then it ain't right. Yeah. Hey. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah.
Ayaw mo naman
Roses might be sheer. All those who chose the roses shield must hear. The hyperwarranty expands its reach. But allied soldiers from across the globe stand together as the world goes to war. This job. Try to save as many people as we can. When do we start?
Mike Joseph.
We need to keep both eyes
Mike Joseph. Mike
Let's rock. Cautious is your enemy. Show you how the West Coast rocks.
Captain America.
That's why my red, white, and blue uniform is form-fitting and flexible. what you've been waiting for. This is what Kanina gusto ko nang ipapatay eh, kasi puputok talaga. Samaan? Okay, relax. Eh, kaya mamakbang pa si Pahay. Hindi, kanina pa, niisip ko na yan, puputok kasi hindi na. Pagdan niya, anda mo sa akin yan to. Yan. Natamaan ka, be? O, dito muna kayo. Dito muna kayo, guys. Ay. So, di ba yung konsepto ng ating mga dancers, di ba? Ang ginawa nila is, as a leader, paki-explain niyo yung concept niyo para alam ng ating mga nanonood.
Bago po ang lahat, advance happy fiesta po sa lahat ng taga-Remedios. Kami po yung taga-Sasmuan na dancers. Nagpapasalamat po kami dahil po nabigyan po kami ng pagkakataon lahat po ng mananayaw sa iba't ibang lugar na magkikita-kita dito sa isa pong contest niyo po dito. Nabuo po yung fresh